They have 6 children. They both lost their jobs to manufacturing. Their largest concern is the fact that if they don't have a place to go after they sell their home, are their children going to be taken away from them?
And Bodine says it's not just the poor job market. The other reason for foreclosures is overzealous lenders,
where they're willing to basically lend individuals more than what they actually can afford.
If you've already purchased a home and know you're headed for foreclosure, realtors like Bodine recommend that you put your home up for sale and talk to an attorney about your options. With thousands of foreclosures in Kent County alone, some expect the problems to continue for the next couple of years.
If Michigan can turn over the job situation, if we can increase jobs, and I think that that's really where the key is going to be.
And experts say the best solution to possible foreclosure is to try to bring the loan current and sell the home. If you can't do that, seek help from someone who is an expert in the area of foreclosures.